Hey everybody, I'm Mary, and this is my simple cottage life. Let's see if we can find some cuteness out here. Well, let's see. We have Mama Ma. Are you all excited about your trip to the vet on Saturday? I know you are. You better be here when I come out that door in the morning, because I'm going to put you in a carrier if I can. Now, I know a while ago I saw Ginger over here, and now he has disappeared. Where are those kitties? Ah, there that boy is. There he is. There's that baby. Hello, baby. Hello, my baby. Oh, he's such a good boy. He is such a good boy. Yes, he is. He has been doing a little going out of this enclosure. He thinks I don't know, but I do know. I do know, sir. I want to see those babies. I know they're here. The other day, I was able to pet them and love on them a little bit, and they allowed it. It's funny. One day they're okay. Ah, there they are. And they're Smoky. Let's see if we can get closer this way. Look at them. They just fight and run and play and jump. I love them. Let me go around and see if I can get back. It's real hard to get those little boogers. If I wasn't out here with a camera, they'd be right here in the middle of the... Hi, Mama. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. She's a sweet baby. She likes being loved on, too. Yes, she is. Y'all remember her? She didn't even want me to touch her for the longest time. Until she figured out, I guess, that I was going to be friendly. And that boy has always been sweet to me. Yes, he has. His medicine is at the post office. And I have to go get it, but I can't go till Monday, because they put a little card in the box saying I have something to pick up, but I have to present it at the desk. Ah, there they are. I knew it. Hello, LG. Hello, Smokey. Oh, goodness, Smokey. That little Tigger, those markings on that kitty, so unusual. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. No. I'm sorry, but no. That's a big, fat no. I don't mind you climbing on the fence, and that's not the point. point. The point is, you're not going over that fence right now, baby. I can't get you back in. He's still not friendly with me enough that I could just go pick him up and bring him back in here. I don't want him over there. Have you been teaching that baby something, Ginger? I have a feeling you have. Well, so y'all, if it's not the sun and the heat and the drought that's killing things, it's cats. Look what they did. They took a nap in the middle of that one. That's okay, it'll come back again. That's coming back from last year anyway. There's Smokey up there. That's, oh goodness. Right now, this morning, it's kind of nice and cool. But then this afternoon, it's going to be terrible. Look at that, all 4 of them. Playing and playing. They love to be a little bit cooler in the morning so they can play. Aren't they cute? Oh boy, they're going all over the place, y'all. Just crazy. It's okay. Anyway, I about had it with my plants. Now these over here, these are still doing fine. But see, they only get morning sun. Aren't those petunias pretty? They only get morning sun though. So these out here, they are about had it. And this is finally blooming. Now, lantana, I don't remember it blooming this late last year. But then again, this has been a very, very dry. And although I give that, oh, Ginger's going over the wall, y'all. Over the wall. Prison escape. Ginger. Get down from there. Hey, Ginger. Well, if you're going, go. If you're going, go on. You're tearing my fence up. Well, so was it worth it? On that side, I don't think it was. Now you're going to have to work like the devil to get back in here when you get ready to eat something. I'm not coming after you, mister. You're going to have to get back in here. Oh, y'all, my whole life is nothing but cats. Cats now, cats. Mrs. Key inside. 5 of them out here. You can see Ginger over there on the other side of the fence. I think he's having a little bit of a regret now. Well, there he runs. Wonder where he went. Oh, he's on at the end. I tell you. Can't worry about it, y'all. I say that all the time, but then I do. I worry. Oh, he's out there. How's he going to get back in? He will, because he's done it before. I just don't like it. No, I don't. It's already starting to get hot. Goodness gracious. I hope y'all are having a bit of cool where you are. Look, where did you come from? And how did you get in so quickly? Is that what you did? You jumped the fence again? See, it wasn't worth it getting out there, what'd I tell you? It wasn't worth it. They're all under that bush. They like getting under there. It's cool. He came running out to show me. Ha ha ha. I got in. You didn't think I would, and I did. So there. So there. I see Mama's tail. I see Smokey. I see this little bitty LG. Sometimes I have a hard time thinking of their names. Well, that's Cat City for today. Have a good day, everybody. Love y'all.